Ziggy, what's he doing over there? Tucker, what are you doing? Tucker. Don't you open that door. What's he doing in there, Ziggy? What's he doing? What's he doing in there, Ziggy? Tucker, what are you doing? What are you doing? You're so bad. What's he doing, Ziggy? Is he being a bad boy? Is he being a bad boy? What are you doing, you brat? Tucker? Don't you do anything. You better get back up here or you're in trouble. What's he doing, Ziggy? Is he in trouble? I see you. Uh-oh, Ziggy. Hey, Jelly, what's Tucker doing, Jelly? What's he doing? Is he being bad? Ziggy knows. Tucker knows he's being bad, right, Tucker? Tucker.